Hello, in this video I am going to talk about a physics experiment that I made, and this consists basically on demonstrating and explaining how a non-Newtonian fluid works, so I hope that you enjoy it and understand it. I would like to begin explaining what a non-Newtonian fluid is. This is a fluid that their viscosity can change depending on the force applied to them. I mean, their behavior is differently when you apply a lot of force than when you apply a little bit of force. And one clear example of this is when you mix maizena with some water. So this is what I am going to do.
You just need three ingredients, that is maizena, some water, and a recipient. First, you have to add the maizena into your recipient, but not all, just a little bit, and then slowly add the water and start to mix it with your hands. Continue adding maizena and water in small amounts until you get a mixture that has the consistency like honey. It may take a little work to get the consistency just right, but just continue and you will have it. When it is ready, you will know, because it will be a little harder and difficult to move. Now that you have it, try the following. Pick up some of the mixture and squeeze it. Stop squeezing and it will drop through your fingers. Now, leave your fingers on the mixture and let them sink to the bottom of the bowl. Then, try to get them out quickly. What happens? A non-Newtonian fluid without moving behaves like a liquid, while if it is subjected to stress forces, its viscosity increases. I mean, if you hit the surface of a non-Newtonian fluid, the stress introduced by the incoming force causes the atoms that make up the fluid to rearrange, increasing the viscosity. On the other hand, if you slowly introduce your hand into the fluid, you can easily insert it. And if the hand is inside and you try to get it out quickly, the fluid will behave like a solid again. The higher the applied force, the higher the viscosity will be. And that is exactly what happens with the quicksand. If we could pass over them with great pressure, we will then sink. It will be like the heat that we have given to the experiment. But instead, if we walk through the quicksand, we sink just as it happened to introduce our fingers slowly in the mixture of water and maizena.